Hell yeah.
Yo, how you doing? As you can see, we have a somewhat of a trilogy here. It's from Caliber. Um, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Comment on the videos. Share the videos. If you dislike the videos, dislike the videos. If you like them as well. You know, all that good stuff. But today we have somewhat of a unboxing and a review of one of these clippers. As you can see, these are the 50 cals from Caliber. This is the third edition. If y'all can see, this is the 50 cal, the third edition. I do not have the other two standing next, but these are the latest three in the 50 cal releases. All right. So if you've seen, I did a review of the 50 cal, the third edition. Also did a review earlier this year of the BMG edition. One that I have not did a review or even an unboxing. So we're actually technically going to unbox this because I just honestly took the charger and took this out and started using. But before we get into the actual machine, let's get into what comes included in this box. All right. This is the 50 cal limited edition. They have a gold version of this in a black gold version. So this is the 50 cal, technically the third edition of them, with a few upgrades to them, also with different colors. All right. So as you can see, versus the original boxing, which is more like a shoe box of the 50 cal generation 3. Lately, of course, Caliber has caught up with designs, and I know a lot of people, they say, well, the design of the box doesn't matter. I know that, but it's all appealing. This compared to this is a nicer upgrade versus a basic shoebox design to the 50 cal not BMG, which the BMG box is here as well, but compared to this, right, limited edition. With the limited edition, it makes it look limited edition. All right, so this is the newest vicious speed and rugged power 50 cal. The biggest upgrade with this is the runtime. So with the original, I'm gonna be saying the original, but I'm actually talking about the third edition, not the very first 50 cal that they brought out. But with the third generation of the 50 cal, it got 5 hours of runtime, which 5 hours of runtime on a clipper is magnificent, right? The difference with this one is, I mean, there's a few other different, but the biggest difference is the 8 hours of runtime. Not bad. 8 hours of runtime, low noise, dual DLC, black diamond coated, zero gap. What comes in the box? Of course, you get your pamphlet. They do come with the same guards that come with the third generation, which is the single dubs. Also comes with your oil and the cleaning brush, and also comes with a taper blade. Comes with a fade blade on it, but they do give you a taper blade in there. This is something that I have been loving from Caliber, Gamma, Stylecraft. They've been giving you options. You don't like the blade, instead of forcing you to buy a new blade from us, which, yes, that would give us more money, but we're already charging you enough to just throw you one in there. And I love that. They did this with the BMG, and they did it with this one here. They did not do it with the third generation, but that's different. Comes with the charging block. So that's what comes in the box. Also with the charging stand. Now, the third generation did come with a charging stand. The only difference that came in this box of this, besides the design, is they gave you the Europe charger converter, which I thought was pretty cool. Although I'm scared to fly, so I won't be going nowhere. I think it's cool to include that. And then, of course, like I said, they come with the single magnetics. The only difference is the color and the runtime. So this is your machine. Not too big of a difference. I do, if y'all remember, even in my BMG review, I told you I did not like that big bulky writing on the front of it. It just kind of looked cheap to me. It just kind of looked like somebody just was like, let's just throw something on there. You get what I'm saying? I didn't really care for that. This, on the other hand, with this beautiful black 50 cal mag, limited edition caliber, I love it. Click lever, very tight on there. I like that. Like I said, it comes with the fade blade, but they also include the taper blade. It is somewhat gapped pretty close, so you won't have to have a problem with that. Charging port. I mean, it is just a limited edition. One thing with the caliber, one thing that I wish, since it was limited edition, they would have given us more colors. Not like every color under the rainbow, but they gave us gold and black. A lot of the clippers are just being gold. I'm not too much of a gold fan in all my clippers. I do like a little bit of it. The black is also cool to me, but think about like with a Gamma, they give you different color lids. Think if this would have came with, different lids you can change and maybe be red, maybe be purple, just kind of liven it up since it is a limited edition. Get what I'm saying? But same thing. This don't have clicks no more. I changed it. I took the which you can do, because I don't mind the click lever, but I'm not a huge click lever fan. I'd rather have that floating, just because I feel like when I'm using it, it's all the way closed. If I need to get out of fade and I just need just a little bit, I don't necessarily have to be restrained to their level that I'm at, which is not, it's not like it's a lot in between, right? But that's the clipper. Here's the sound. Versus the original. A little quieter, maybe, that's a couple of years old, maybe a year or so old, so not too big of a deal. All right, so anyway, that's everything that you got in the box. My quick little review, I've used it for about a week. It's not a bad clipper. I love the 8-hour runtime, which it actually lasts. Do it last exactly 8 hours? I don't know. I used it for 2 days, going alternate with different clippers. It do last long. It's still not dead. I have not put it back on the charger. I had it sitting here, but it wasn't. The charger's not, it's not plugged up. But it's on the charger. But it haven't died. It's been strong. Cuts. The only problem with this is it seems like at times it kind of bogs. Like if it's going through bulk, it seems like it can get, like it stalls just a little bit. It's nothing crazy compared to the original one. I mean, it's pretty much the same thing. 8-hour runtime is the biggest difference in color. It cuts, it fades. It's not the best fader, but it does cut. It lays hair down. It's sometimes depending on the hair texture. That's the main thing. These clippers cut great depending on the hair texture. But when you're a barber, yes, you can have different clippers for different hair textures and what cuts this and what does this. So you got them all on your stand. That's fine. I don't think this is your all-around clipper. All right. The price is this. I think it's like 182 something. I don't know. Somewhere in that area. When I bought them, I bought this and a few other things off the website, so I don't actually remember how much that was. But of course, I'll put the price in the video. But is it worth the buy? You can buy it. But if you're going to go caliber, if you're going to go caliber, and if you're going to go 50 cal, this is what you get. Y'all going to see my top clippers of the year. This 50 cal BMG, it's my day in, day out, top notch. It's actually a little bit louder. Same sound. But good run time. The only problem versus this got 8 hours of run time. Even the 50 cal original, the third generation, has 5 hours of run time. The only difference is this is only have 3. But this cuts through anything much better to me. This fades better to me. Excuse me. This is a better all-around clipper in my opinion. So I'm not saying this is not a good clipper. It is a good clipper. It's just not a good all-around clipper. If you're gonna buy it, it's not something that you will get and just throw away. If you like the 50 cal, you'll like it. But this fits better in your hand versus the cylinder. It's cool, but I'd rather have the BMG. In my opinion, I think it's the better 50 cal. But if you're gonna buy any of the 50 cals, you can go to their website, use my discount code Reggie15, save you money on either one of these that you want to buy, or anyone that you want to buy, anyone that you want to buy, anyone that you want to buy. All right. So that's my review unboxing of the 50 cal. There's 3 of them still on the website at the moment. These are limited edition, so I do not know how long they will even be on the website. The best thing about that is the 8 hours. All right. But the BMG is a better all-around clipper, in my opinion. You throw you some, it comes with the magnetic guards as well. Comes with a charging dock. Fits better in your hand. If you haven't seen my full review on this, I'll leave it in the links below in the description. But this is your buy if you're going 50 cal or if you're going caliber at the moment at all. All right. Little quick video. If you like the videos, thumbs up. If you dislike them, thumbs down. Subscribe if you're not. Comment, share. We are over halfway to the 5,000 subscriber mark. As I keep reminding you or trying to remind you, we do have a good, I won't say good. I'm going to say we have an okay giveaway at 5,000 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed and you want to be part of that, subscribe to the channel. Get your friends to subscribe. The sooner that we get to 5,000 the sooner we get to 5,000 subscribers, the sooner we'll be able to actually have the giveaway. All right. All right. Cool. I'm out. Peace.